Hi, I'm Cheryl with C-Line, and today we're going to talk about our magnetic storage pockets with a ride-on panel. C-Line's magnetic storage pockets are the perfect solution for creating extra storage space on any flat metal surface. Available in 4 assorted colors, the magnetic storage pocket has a ride-on dry erase panel so you can identify what's stored inside. You can write on it, and then wipe it right off. Each pocket is 9 3/4 by 6 and has a 2-inch gusset that expands to hold your dry erase markers, first aid items, small office supplies, and more. The hook and loop closure keeps everything safe and secure. C-Line's magnetic storage pockets are excellent for classroom whiteboards, filing cabinets, and any metal surface. They are great for organizing your home, school, and business. Order yours now. That's all we have for today. I'm Cheryl with C-Line. Thanks for watching.